In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notifications in Notion quickly and easily. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the tools you need to keep track of important tasks and deadlines effortlessly. Let's get started by heading over to your connected workspace in Notion. If you're new to Notion or not quite sure where to begin, don't worry. Simply open your web browser and navigate to the Notion homepage. You'll find it's an incredibly versatile platform, perfect for managing wikis, documents, and projects all in one place. Once there, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to go ahead and click on the Login button. You can usually find this option at the top right corner of the page. Use your credentials to access your account. Make sure you're using the right login details to avoid any hiccups along the way. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Notion home. This page gives you an overview of your workspace, where you'll find all of your pages and projects neatly organized for easy access. Now, the next step is to locate and click on a database within your Notion workspace. Databases in Notion can be arranged like tables, lists, or boards, so choose the one that holds the information you want to monitor or stay updated on. This could be your project list, a to-do list, or any other tracker you've set up in Notion. With your chosen database open, prepare to set up your notification. Type in the @remind command within a page or a task you're focusing on. This handy little shortcut is what makes Notion such a powerful organizational tool. It allows you to schedule reminders on certain dates and times, so you never miss a deadline or overlook an important task again. As you type, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to select or input the date and time for your notification. Go ahead and choose a time frame that works best for you. Remember, you have the flexibility to set reminders days, weeks, or even months in advance. This is particularly useful if you're planning extended projects or need periodic reminders about ongoing responsibilities. Once you've set up your reminders, Notion will ensure you receive notifications at the designated times, helping you stay organized and on top of your to-do list. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to add notifications in Notion. By incorporating these steps into your routine, you can enhance your productivity and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore the other features of Notion that can further streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!